up, everybody? Welcome back to Old Volks TV. We're somewhere. Where are we, Sean?
We are Top Notch.
We're at Top Notch.
It's third Saturday.
I think after all these years, we would know, right?
Well, we go to so many places, it's hard to remember.
Yeah, third Saturday.
Third Saturday, we had a rainbow.
We did have a rainbow. I got a little video. We'll put that right there. And Sean drove his bus finally.
Finally, after 3 or 4 months.
Yeah.
It's been a while.
It's been up at Mo's place.
Yeah.
And
Getting some,
Camp Mo, getting done.
Yeah.
Hanging out with the other secret car. I almost said it.
Soon.
Soon.
This calendar year.
Oh, that's what you said last calendar year.
I said that three years ago.
In a row. I think he's had that car longer than you have.
Yeah, but it's getting there.
Yeah.
Getting close.
I drove the bus for the first time in forever, so that's exciting, and the bus is running good, and it was pouring ass rain coming here. Over there you can see, hey look, it's Rob. What's up, buddy? And the family. That's the guy that bought my ragtop.
Oh, cool. I wanted that car.
Wah, wah. He didn't have the money, he had the money. Yeah. All right, well, let's go walk around and see the cars that are here. The rain is gone, so I think more people are going to show up. Then I need to get a drink and a food, so
Sounds good.
let's go for a walk. Fun times at the Top Notch. Looks like Lupe came out with his, oh, I don't want to get in Matt Jackson's shot over here.
Sorry.
Alright. It's been forever since this car came out. You're such a doofus.
Oh, now Willie's gonna start with that.
What a nerd. Nerd! Oh my god, you don't. Willie boy! Willie don't like it.
He takes its face.
No, the face is fine. Don't eat my camera.
Is that new?
Yeah. Well, yeah.
That's fancy, buddy.
It's bigger than Matt
This is
Jackson.
Stephanie.
Hello, Stephanie.
This is Jason.
Nice to meet you.
We'll go look at his bus, Charlie.
Yeah.
It's the coolest bus here.
It's not as cool.
Oh, you can't see me, but we're gonna adjust Axles carburetors, and Doug's gonna hold the camera. right, there we go. Just a little short one. Top notch, everybody. Got to use the new gimbal. Bus is running so sweet. Oh my God, it's running so super sweet. And we had a rainbow. We had some rain. Got some stuff on the lens here. There we go. How's that? That better? All right. Oh, Chris came. We gave him his kitchen. Hold on, he's leaving. Let's ask him. Are you excited about your camp kitchen?
Yes, very excited about my camp kitchen.
Awesome.
Can't wait to use it.
Look at him with safety glasses because of safari weather.
Yeah? Always safari
But
weather.
none for Katie. Oh, because it's closed. What's wrong with the window? Is it broken?
No, she's broken.
Something wrong with your safari window?
No, just my eyes.
If she was in the front seat, she'd open it.
She would.
You know she would too.
All right, drive safe.
Always.
Let's see that. Look at that. Ooh. All right, so there we go. We're gonna wrap it on up. Do the thing with the links and the t-shirts and all the good stuff. Visit all our friends and go out and drive your Volkswagen. Ooh, it's dark. Axel's creeping around behind me. Creeper.
In front of you. Now I'm behind you.
Well, behind the camera, behind you. Yeah, all that good stuff. And thanks for watching.